And so I think kind of like Marin, I try to lead the messaging with hope and the potential that we have and where we can do the most good without it necessarily costing our communities anything. There's just more benefit, but being very honest about the work that it's going to take to get there and then doing the work. I mean, I do think that there's great power, and one of my greatest hopes is that in showing that we do the work here, and it's possible. It's not just possible, but it's possible in a much shorter time frame than anybody realizes to repair a lot of the damage that's been done vis-a-vis our food system and the way that we deliver agricultural crops to commodity markets, and that there are real solutions in front of us if we're willing to have open and threaded dialogues, not these sort of siloed dialogues that are specific to particular types of agriculture. And that's where I hope we can start turning our faces now.